Hey, good morning everybody. Jungle Jerry here with Tiki 71. I just got some mail from Austin in Little Rock, Arkansas. He just sent me some palm seeds. These are Trachycarpus Wagnerianus, Trachycarpus not Wagner's, Trachycarpus Wagnerianus, no, definitely not that. Trachycarpus Wagnerianus seeds. They're Waggies. Today I'm going to show you how to germinate the Waggies. Trachycarpus Wagnerianus seeds are not particularly fussy when it comes to germination. They're just like the fortune eye or windmill palms. They don't need light to germinate. They just need warmth and moisture. What I've got right here is a Sunshine 4 mix. It's a high porosity mix. It's or you could use HP4. Thanks to Banana Joe for putting me onto this stuff. It is really good. So I'm just going to sow these things in here. You notice I got a little berm pushed back because I'm going to cover them up. And then we're going to flood this stuff. And I do something a little bit special with the old greenhouse there that kind of helps it along, that I'll show you here in just a moment. First things first, we're going to get all these put in here, and that should be all of them there. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this berm here and I'm just going to rake it right across it. Just like so. And if you get too many together, no big deal. What will happen is they will push up with growth. You just want a little bit of soil around it so they can maintain their moisture. Follow me into the greenhouse now. And so the next thing that I'll do here is I keep it's like a Rubbermaid type container here. It's solid, there's no holes in it. I do have holes. I put holes in the bottom of the 1020 tray here. But it usually will work out just right. I can get this thing to sit down in here. And you don't have to do this if you don't have a greenhouse. What you can do is use a baggie. Get some pre-moistened soil, put it in the baggie. Get your seeds in there, mix them up, throw them on top of your refrigerator or in a cabinet or something like that in the house where it's warm. And then in a couple of months you'll have germination. But the next thing I'm going to do here is flood this thing until the water is coming out of the bottom of the 1020 tray. It's in a greenhouse, so it's going to try to dry out often. I will check this every couple of days and add water. The nice thing about using the clear container here is you can tell when you have water in it and moisture, and when it dries out I'll be able to tell when I walk into the greenhouse, and I can just add some more water to it. But it gets nice and warm in here, and it'll make these seeds pop. And you definitely want fresh seeds. I have tried buying palm seeds on Amazon, and it just never worked out. And the main reason for that is they can be very old, and you have unreputable sellers on there. I will buy live plants from Amazon, but never seeds. I buy seeds from reputable places like Rare Palm Seeds, or if people send me fresh seeds like Austin, thank you, sir. I've tried it and it just never worked out. So let me bring you in and show you what she looks like now. So now I've got the tray flooded. Water is starting to come out the bottom here. And so I know I got plenty of moisture in there. The next thing that I'm going to do here is don't judge me people, this is a working greenhouse. I'm going to put this lid on top, but I'm not going to seal it. I'm going to offset it just a little bit, because in the afternoon sun, this part of the greenhouse does get very warm, and I don't want to steam the seeds to the point where they won't grow. So I leave a little crack here, let some of that steam get out, but I can also see right here I've got moisture building up already inside of it, which is a good thing. Well, there we go. We got them set up, ready to germinate. I'm going to check it. We may start to see pops here in about a month. Today is the 25th of April, so I would expect probably by the end of May we'll start to see some pops of the seeds, and we'll let them grow for a few months, and then we'll pot them up into red solo cups. Austin, I want to thank you so much. Oh, by the way, these things, this is what they will look like. I'm going to insert a picture right here of what they look like when they grow and start getting mature. Really good looking, very similar to the Trachycarpus 49 or windmill palm, but the fronds are stiffer. They don't grow quite as fast, but they're also very cold hardy. These things, they really don't need any protection until you start getting in that 13-degree range Fahrenheit, freedom height for Americans. But really fun palm to grow and good looking for the garden. You can plant them in clumps or plant them individually as specimens, and really nice palm tree. So Austin, I can't thank you enough. I appreciate it. If you've got seeds you want me to try to grow, I've got an address down below in the show more description section. You can send me stuff and we'll give it a whirl. Just send me fresh seeds, please. It makes things a lot easier. Guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.